Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine and safe. So far students, in chapter number 18, we have studied the rights of the consumer. Now students, I am going to teach you the duties of the consumers. As the consumers are cautious about their rights, they are aware about their rights. In the same way, they should show reflexes toward their responsibilities or the duty also. While purchasing commodities or service, consumers should make the correct choice at the time of purchasing product, and consumers should purchase the product having good quality, reasonable price, guarantee, warranty, after sale service. He should purchase the goods having standard signs like BIS, ISI and EGMA. So while purchasing electrical and electronic gadgets, priority should be given to the purchase of standard and branded items only. You should purchase proper goods. Second, at the time of purchasing product from many product, choices has to be made. While choosing a product, they should have all the information. They should check the label and the information given in the advertisement. Ensure themselves like discreet and aware consumers. As a consumer, his decisions and behavior should be wise, proper, intelligence, calculative, bearing common sense, so that they may have be protected against exploitation and the cheating. Third, it is the duty of the consumer that his product, his conduct, means his behavior towards seller, producer should be gentle and bona fide, means proper. A consumer should insist having original bill. Whenever you are going for the purchasing good, you should ask for the original bill, original receipts of the item service purchased by him, and he should also insist on getting warranty card filled, and signature of the seller should be there along with the stamp. Consumers should come together and form voluntary consumer organization and association at non-political and non-commercial level. And with the help of this organization, they should be ready to give a legal fight for solution of problems related to consumers' complaint. They should ask for the representation in a different government committees related to consumer. So it is also the duty of the consumer, he should fight against the exploitation. Sixth one, consumer should make the complaint either orally or written to the officer of the related department without fail. They should also take the cooperation of the consumer organization, different non-profitable institution means NGOs, in order to prevent or eliminate the complaint related to wide interest of the consumers. Next, while purchasing product, consumer should not make any compromise with the quality of the product or its safety. He should always ask for purchasing product, checking the packing date of manufacture, expiry date, batch number, weight, name of the producer and the address. Next, while purchasing a product, if the consumer finds that the product is adulterate, matlab milawat wala, duplicate or fake, finds decrease in the weight, he should immediately bring it to the notice to the trader. If the trader delay in bringing the solution, he should give an application to authorize and consumer courts asking for redressal. Redressal means worth, compensation. Thus, consumer should perform his duty as a responsible citizen. Consumer should purchase a product in sufficient quantity or the numbers only. He should save himself from purchasing unwanted and unnecessary products by getting attracted from the advertisements and by seeing others or from sale. He should not waste money. Now 10th one, while purchasing and weighing scale, implements of measurement, electronic instruments must be checked whether they are correct or not. If you are weighing certain, for example, purchasing any grains and everything, a consumer should make sure whether the tools of measurement have been tested, verified by the investigation officer or not. If the tools have not been certified every year, the consumer should bring in notice to the weight and measurement of the officer. Director of Legal Metrology and Consumer Affairs at the local level, and if required he should complain. And this is the duty of the vigilant. Vigilant means aware and responsible consumers. 11th one, the seal of the gas and the cylinder should always be checked whether it is intact, means proper or not. Taxi, rickshaw should be boarded only after the checking the zero. You have to check the meter zero. We should pay the rate on the meter, petrol, diesel, CNG, after checking the indicator 000. While purchasing kerosene, one should insist purchasing only after the foam, matlab jug, in the measuring can should be settled down completely. Weighing should be done on that scale only which is hung on its stand. When the scale is held in the hand, there are chances of cheating. 12th one, a consumer should either himself goes to consumer forum or should complain through the consumer society against negligence of the improvement of the railway, bank, insurance, telephone, hospital service, and for its compensation for physical, mental and economical harm due to the lack of services. Consumers should give details of news of judgment, compensation received on local TV channel and get it published in the newspaper so that the other consumers may know about the injustice done to him. By informing about the judgment, they may be prevented from being victimized. Thus, it is also his responsibility to bring consumer awareness, work for consumer education and participate. A consumer should participate enthusiastically in different consumer awareness programs, movement arranged by consumer society, discussion and seminars. Thus, try to give a thrust to the movement of consumer protection in the society. So, these all are the duties. Out of 13, at least 6 to 7 duties you have to learn. Now, measures of consumer protection. 3-tier measures are there, tribunal courts are there that you have to write it down. That first district forum, second state commission, third national commission. Students, you have to write it down all. Following 4 types of measures have been undertaken for consumer protections. 3-tier means tribunal courts. Under National Consumer Protection Act 1986, Central Consumer Protection Council or National Consumer Commission have been set up. Similarly, the State Consumer Forum has been set up to the state level. Under this commission, laws of the consumer protections are framed. National Consumer Dispute Commission has created the structure of 3-tier courts frame or norms for actions of consumer forum or commission. Now, district forums. Generally, there is one court in every district, which is a very important court. It studies the complaint of consumers and give compensation to the consumer against loss. Approximately 571 consumer district forums are working in our country. In this court, presently claims of compensation up to 20 lakh are filed after paying the decided fee. If the petitioner, the person, those who filed the complaint, that person is called petitioner. If the petitioner is not satisfied with the decision of the district court, he may file a complaint in the state commission within next 30 days. But before that, he has to pay 50% amount of the compensation claim of to pay 25,000, whichever is the less. State commission means state forums. Approximately 35 state forums are working presently. In these courts, presently claims of compensation 20 to 1 crore, 20 lakh to 1 crore, students you have to remember this, are filed after paying this decided fee. If the petition is not satisfied with the decision of the state commission, he may file a complaint in the national commission within the next 30 days, although he has to pay either 50% of the compensation or claim or 35,000, whichever is less. National Commission means National Forum. Compensation claim above 1 crore should be made here by paying the decided fee. This commission is the bench of 5 members. State Commission and National Commission should give the decisions as early as possible and within 19 days of filing the case. If the petitioner is not satisfied with the decision of National Commission, he may file the case in the Supreme Court within the next 13 days. But before appealing the compulsory to deposit 50% of the compensation amount, 50,000 whichever is the less. If the person does not comply the orders given by any court, he could be given punishment or penalty or both of them. People below poverty line, senior citizens, handicapped are exempted from paying the fees. Means they are not supposed to pay the fees under the certain conditions. They are also provided free service under district free legal service guidance of the legal aid and advocate. Now, consumer societies. As per this act, the government organized consumer societies have been established at taluka, district, state and national level. Consumer society as taluka, district, state and national level. The consumer societies or councils are not political, non-commercial, voluntary organizations set up by the consumers. The main objective of this consumer society is to bring awareness about consumer rights, encourage them to help government to frame policies or to protect from time to time. It keeps on the review provisions for consumer rights and acts. It also gives suggestion to the government trading need to change the legislative provisions. These consumer societies provide consumer education through consumer awareness programs, which provide guidance on main subjects such as right of consumers, duties, exploitation in different ways, and how to save from the exploitation. These consumer societies or organizations publish monthly, bi-monthly magazines and periodicals. Students, you have to learn these periodicals. Grahak Suraksha, Insight, The Consumer, Grahak Manch. This periodical published by them and try to bring the awareness, and they are helpful in elimination, means removing the complaint of the consumer. Now, public distribution system is rationing shop. Under public distribution system, essential commodities of goods quality are provided in the fixed quantity at subsidized rates to the poor at the regular interval from fair price shops. Thus, the poor consumer is saved from the exploitation in the open market, from where they have to purchase goods at high rate of low quality and less weight. Public distribution control the corrupted activities of the trader. System certifying weights and measures in the purity of the goods. For health and safety of the consumers, government set up the legal institutes which perform the task of checking the quality, quantity, purity of the produced goods and certify